Hey guys, what's going on? Well, I just got a couple more radios in. The 3000s have been selling pretty good. I've got a couple of them left in R. One's an R and one's a standard. One's digital and no, they both are digital. They're brand new, but one's an R. And they actually, I was lucky enough to get them to where they hadn't been fielded. So these radios came in, they're in very good shape. You've seen this one. Let me turn these down. Okay. These do have the encryption in them. These have single, this has a triple. The housing on this one is the only one that you can see the housing condition. Very good shape. Moto Turbo antennas, by the way, are on hold from all suppliers because of a shipping problem that Motorola is having. I don't know what their problem is, but they're evidently having shipping problems. And I've been going through Wiscom to get antennas because simply they cannot give me a better deal that I could get anywhere else. So I've been using them, but at the same time I called Craig and he said, look, we're our stock is just out of all Moto Turbo antennas. So until he gets more in, and a lot of the Motorola equipment, by the way, is a lot of the parts are being back ordered until December. So get this shit while you can, because evidently Motorola is having difficulties with their shipping, not production, but with their shipping. But yeah, these are really nice radios, Model 2s. But all three of these are going to get rehoused with new housings on them. You can tell they're all legit tags. You know, the case housing here may look rough. To me it does. I'm real picky. But at the same time, you know, the screen, it looks used. And it looks well used. No cracks, nothing like that. But whoever had this used it quite a bit. And, you know, I mean, I've got a replacement housing that I could slap on it. But rather than do that, what I'm going to do is I've got the Model 3 housing, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'll have 7 XTS5000's. 6 of them are going to be Model 3s with FPP. These are Q splits. And I've got 2 that are VHF. The rest will be Qs, which are government 380 to 470, I think. So I am getting one more that's brand new in. It's never been fielded, and I'm going to keep that a regular Model 2. So I have got mics in and a few things like that. But the antennas I just got in today, that's the last I'm going to see of the Moto Turbo antennas until Motorola fixes whatever they've got, whatever problem they have with their shipping. You know, it's just one of those things that you can't really do anything about except bitch, and I'm not going to bitch over something I can't control. So you know, it's just a waste of time. But yeah, these two are VHF. Stat is a Q UHF. So I'm going to have all three of these are going to be transformed. I've got new housings. I'm trying to keep this shit straight because I've been sewing so much. I haven't had hardly any sleep. I've been getting about 3 hours of sleep a night, and it's catching up with me in a big way. It's really fucking with me. But you know, it's just one of those things that I've got a lot of shit going on, and I've had shit going on for, you know, with projects and everything else trying to make up time. I just haven't had it. So, you know, sleep has kind of eluded me, but it's catching up to me and starting to fuck with my head, and I can't think straight. But